Hello people, welcome to Sam's Corner. I am Sam and today we are going to talk about a very heavy issue. At first I was going to make the review for Tagfire app for Instagram, but my nails aren't really cool right now. They have chipped nail polish, so I won't be doing that. I will be doing it later. Today we'll talk about the weight issues which I am also having. So okay, some 10 months back I was 66 kg and today I am 77, and it really is a difficult thing for a person, and it becomes more difficult when there is a third person coming up and commenting on your weight. It happens to me a lot of time, and I'm sure it happens to everybody around. So let us understand, why is it important for you to tell someone else that they have gained weight? Because they themselves do understand that they have gained weight, and they themselves do understand that they need to do something to lose it if they want to. It is their choice. It is not your choice to make them understand that they need to lose weight. So it is a pretty simple thing, but we make it really difficult for the one who has actually gained. We also make it difficult for some people who have lost a lot of weight and who are very lanky. So basic point is that there are different kind of people. There are short people, there are tall people, there are thin people, there are fat people, there are people who watch Game of Thrones, and there are ones who don't. And we need to deal with all of them, and there is no point in really commenting on their bodies. They are really wonderful, and more and enough and more topics to talk about. So let us stop thinking about the body image thing, thinking about the extra pounds people carry around themselves, which are actually the sign of depression. They might be going through some inner battles, they are fighting some things which have happened in their life, or some things which are going on. So let us leave that aside and talk about some happier things. Make the world beautiful by smiles and forget about those very issues, right? So next time I would be starting the series called Fat Eye, that is fighting against thyroid issues, which I'm doing right now. So it's very simple that you can lose weight at some point if you want to, and all you need to do is just stand up and go for it, and not give up till you lose it. Did not sound very right. Anyways, so that's all from Sam's Corner today. Please do not comment on someone's weight issues next time. That is a Sam Corner advice. Anyways, you can take it if you want to take it. If you don't want to take it, then please leave me some comments and tell me what you feel about it. Anyways, so that's it. Bye, see you, take care, and I'll see you next time. Peace out, peace out, peace.